Hi, baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an at-home workout routine. I'm going to be showing you guys a full body workout routine that requires zero equipment. I'm not a trainer or a dietitian or anything like that, but I have been working out for a really long time and lifting and going to the gym and stuff like that, so I thought that I could put together something for you guys to do at home. All of these exercises are beginner level as well, so even if you're not like super into exercising and knowledgeable about working out and stuff like that, you can still do this. The actual workout can range anywhere from between 40-45 minutes to maybe an hour. It just depends on how many times through you want to do some of the exercises. Alright guys, let's get started. First, we are going to warm up with a little bit of stretching and some other exercises. Next, we are going to go on a run. You can either run for 10 minutes or run for a mile. Either one works. Next, it's time for our ab circuit. You can go online and find any kind of ab workouts that you like, but these ones are my favorite. Also include 30 sit-ups in there, but my camera died, so sorry. And repeat this ab circuit 2 to 3 times. Now we are moving on to arms. For this exercise, you can use any weighted object. I found that milk was the heaviest thing I could find in my house. For this next exercise, you can use any flat surface, but I chose to use a chair. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times. And for the finisher, run up and down your stairs for 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how tired you are. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be coming out with a couple more quarantine videos, so if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe so you don't miss anything from me. If you try this workout out, make sure you let me know down in the comments how it went, and I hope you guys really like it. It is a full body workout. Definitely is going to make you sweat a little bit. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments and I will make sure to get back to you on how to do some of these exercises. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!